numbers revision. Question 1. Fill in the blank. Okay, so you can see that 3,178,975. Okay, fill in the blank. Alright, so option 1 is 7, option 2 is 1, option 3 is 17, option 4 is 178. Alright. Alright, for those who just joined, the game pin is at the bottom of your screen. All the way to the bottom there, you can see 7685586. Alright. Okay, 17 more seconds. Let's go, let's go. Alright, okay, so come on, don't give out answers online. Okay, if you want to give, you give the wrong answer lah. Okay, so help people go away. Alright, but yes, okay. Alright, so 22 of you selected the correct answer. Very good. Okay, so the 22 of you, there's a chance you already got some points already. Okay, you are off a good start. Okay, the rest of you is okay. We still got 8 more questions for today. Alright. So the first place, we got this Super Impala. Okay, the names are auto randomly generated but still funny. Alright. Okay, we got a clever raven, a cheerful duck. I imagine how will it look like. Again, a flying shark. Okay, so the first place right now is at 986 points. The fifth place is at 946. So knowing, if you already know your points, okay, you already know how much you need to catch up. Alright, to go into the top 5. Alright, now we're going to look at the solution, okay. Alright, so we can see that the 3 million, right, is broken down into 3 million itself. Okay, and then what was given was 8,900 and 75 ones. Because, you see, these are addition, right? So to find the missing one, the blank, we subtract. We do the opposite. Right? Remember, like in primary 2 or primary 1, okay, you may have seen like 10 is 17 equals to 10 plus what? Alright, so the blank there. Okay, we need to find what's in the blank. So subtract. So I take 3,178,975. I subtract the 3 million. I subtract the 8,900. 8,900 is actually 8,900. And I subtract the 75 ones, which is just 75. And what I got was 170,000. But they want it in terms of 10 hundreds. So I take out the 4 zeros. And I got 10,000. Alright. Alright, so let's go to the next question. Okay, so now we're going to convert 650 cm into kilometers. Okay. But take note, it's not 2 meter, but 2 kilometer. Right? Come. Get your hands ready to select the correct option. I think it is purple. Isabella, you click the which one? You click the white color, is it? Oh yeah. Okay, okay. Yeah, I just realized that. Okay, no worries. Okay, but don't worry. Later there will be some bonus question that will help you to chase. Okay, but still, only 4 of you accidentally select the wrong one. Okay, but 7 of you actually select the blue color. Okay, don't worry, next time I'll change this. Okay, but the common mistake here, okay, like what we have seen here, is that 650 cm 2 kilometer. So when you want to convert to kilometer, there's like a 2 jump, right? You change to meter first, then you change to kilometer. Alright. So now let's see. Now there's a 𝐿𝐕𝐄 climbed up. Then, so now the first place is at 1924 points. The fifth place is still at 984. Okay, so still can climb. Okay. Then we got the Super Yeti is the highest climber. And being a Yeti, you can climb. Alright. So like what I said just now, okay, there are 2 steps. Firstly, we convert to meter by dividing by 100. cm to meter, divide by 100. So you got 6.5 meter. Then the 6.5 meter you want to convert to kilometer, you divide by another 1000. Alright, so remember numbers when you divide by 100, 1000, 10,000, you shift the decimal point. Divide is left, multiply is right. Alright, so 6.5 you divide by 1000, you shift 3 times because there are 3 zeros. Okay, and you will get 0.0065. Okay. Okay, hold on. Let me check. The volume is okay, right? Okay. Alright. So let's go to the next question. Now we're going to go to question 3. This one. Express 3/7 as a decimal but to 2 decimal place. Okay, 20 more seconds. Alright, so remember, okay, this is 7 is not a factor of 10, 100 or 1000, okay, so you should be doing the other way. Okay, very good. 17 of you selected the correct answer. Okay? Okay. So again, for those who just joined, alright, you can also still join the Kahoot and you can enter, you go to www.kahoot.it, alright, and enter the game pin at the bottom of my screen there. 7685586. Alright. And for those who are new to this live, okay, click the follow button and you can share with your friends also. Okay? Alright, so now get ready to see the new leaderboard. Because there's 17 of you who got it correct, right? Probably there's a lot of high chance that there will be a lot of changes. Okay? Alright, very good. Okay, there's 𝐷𝐸𝐻 at first place. 𝐿𝐕𝐄, you are still at second place, so you still got chance. Okay, and the Super Impala that we saw from the first question, now is at third place. Very good, very good. Okay, and then we also got the 𝐷𝐸𝐻 and Classy Sphinx also climbed back up to 5th place. Okay, and also we got this Jolly and Chitna, okay, who's the highest climber. Just now was the Yeti, then the Yeti give the title to the other person. Okay. Alright, so like I say, mind your language, okay? Let's keep it friendly for everyone. Thank you. Okay. Now, let's see the solution. Alright, so like I said just now, we should not be doing the converting of the denominator to 10, 100 or 1000. Alright, what we should be doing instead? We should be dividing. Alright, so if you see here, I first take 3 divided by 7, but then be like, coach, cannot what? There's no multiple of 7. Alright, so we should do the decimal method. Alright, where we put a decimal point at the answer, 0 point, and we put a 3.0. Okay, we put a 3.0, so we treat it like 30. Okay, so 30 minus 28, we get a 2. 2 still got remainder, right? And we bring down another 0. We put another 0 at the top. Okay, and then we bring down. We bring it down, we got 20 now. Alright, and then 20, closest multiple of 7 is 14, so we minus 14. And we got 6. Still got remainder. Okay, actually technically when you divide by 7, there will always be remainder. Okay, but what we need is at least 3 decimal place to make it to 2 decimal place. So we put another 0, and we bring down the 0 again, 60. So closest multiple of 7 to 60 is 56. So I put an 8 at the top. And I minus 56, I get a 4. There's still a remainder, but it's okay. Because we already got 3 decimal place. We need 2, right? So, to round off to 2 decimal place, we use 3. And 8 is to round up. Okay? And we get 0.43. Okay? So, you see my approximation here. From 0.428 equals to 0.43. Alright. Okay, so a bit of a reminder, okay, we have a Telegram group for those who are new, okay, who just joined and want to see this worksheet and our past worksheets also. We can go to Telegram and search for MasterMaths PSLE, okay. The P5 worksheet is also there. You can actually just go to the Telegram group, download the worksheet. Later on, after the live, the solution, all the solution that I went through will also be there, and you can also download it. Okay, and if you need additional practice, okay, you can also download worksheets from previous weeks, from last year's live also. Alright, and on top of that, we also have a YouTube channel. Alright, you can also go to YouTube and search for MasterMaths. Okay, and you will see our YouTube channel. Okay, so I'm going to swap over a bit to a different app. Okay, and you may see a connect, like on your screen there will be showing connecting. Okay, just don't turn off your app, don't turn off your Kahoot. Okay, when I come back, it will reconnect by itself. Okay, don't be panicked. Okay. Alright, so just now I went through the website. Okay, you can see the website at the top left here, mastermaths.com.sg, and our Telegram channel, MasterMaths PSLE. Alright, and when you go to YouTube, you can search for MasterMathsTV. Okay, and you can get to see our YouTube channel, you can get to see all our previous live also. Okay, and we also have live for secondary school math. Usually we are doing PSLE math also, and soon we'll be having science also on live stream. Alright, okay, now let's get back to the Kahoot. Now, question 4. Form the smallest 5-digit even number. Okay, 5-digit even number. Okay, wait, I think the question is got cut off by the screen. Alright. Yeah. Hello, Kimi. Alright, okay. Form the smallest 5-digit even number using 9, 0, 7, 2, and 4 only once. Alright, so of course you cannot be putting the answer 2, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 because you can only use once. Okay, so if you already use 2, you cannot use 2 anymore. Alright, good job. 14 of you selected the correct answer. Okay, so I see the answer only got 14 plus 7, 21, 22 students. Alright, so for those who just joined the live, okay, and not in the Kahoot, alright, you can go to www.kahoot.it, okay, and you can enter the game pin as 7685586. Alright. Alright, come on. Those in Poly, those in JC. Come on, okay. Try to think back. Primary school math is quite some time back, I understand, okay. But try your best, Alright. Who knows, maybe you all got a chance to win the popular voucher, right? So, like what I said just now, the first prize for today is a $10 popular voucher. Alright, later at the end, there will be a way for you to claim your popular voucher. Okay, I will show you a QR code you can scan to claim. Alright. Okay, now let's see who is in the top 5 now. Okay, we got Clever Raven. Okay, then we got the Witty Macau. Super Impala still at 3rd place. Okay, the Witty bawah. And we got a new contender there, Mystery Bison. Okay, it's a mystery. Okay. Oh yeah. Hello, Kaisara. I think you were in my class last year, right? Hello. Okay, and we got 3 players with answer streak of 4. Okay, good job. Alright, so Kaisara also come, join in, okay? You can still join in, we still got, that's all, question 4, I got 5 more questions. Okay, still got hope to get top prize also, okay? Because there will be later some questions with double points. Okay, so those questions will be your treasure, okay, your bonus pack, your booster pack. Alright, come, let's go. So just now, like I say, right, we want to form the smallest 5-digit even number. Okay. Alright. So 20794. Why we cannot start with 0? Okay, because 0 is like a what is it called? Like the smallest number, right? So, but if we put a 0, 2794, correct? Become 2794, which is 2794. That number is not a 5-digit number. So we start with 2 because that's the smallest, the next smallest. Once I use a 2 at the front, now I can use the 0. But the other condition is that it must be a even number. So how can it be even? Alright, so come on, give me some suggestion on the chat. How do you decide if a number is even or odd? Especially a 5-digit number, a 6-digit number. Alright, come on, tell me from the chat. How do I decide a number is even or odd? Some more. Can be divided by 2. Okay. Haji, you are correct. The last number. Okay, the last number must be even. Alright, see the end. Yes. User something 9195. Okay, correct. Pepper Pig also. Pepper Pig number 1 fan. Alright, last digit. Okay, Iris also. Good job. Last number. Brownie Hut in the 2 times table. Yeah. So, but the thing is, when you're forming numbers, right, you must use this last number trick lah. Okay. So in the last number, I got 3 numbers here that are even, 2, 0, and 4. I pick the highest one, I put at the end. Why? Because the smaller ones I need to put it at the front to make the number small. That's why I put 2, 0, then 4 at the end, then I put 7 and 9 in the middle. Alright, so I hope that is clear, especially for those who selected the wrong answer. In the meantime, okay, I'm going to pause here for a while. Okay, for those who just joined the live and you want to have a chance to get this popular voucher, okay, go to www.kahoot.it and join in. Okay, I'm going to give you all 2 minutes to do it. Alright, those who are new, who just joined the live, okay, go to kahoot.it, or some of you maybe do Kahoot many times already got the mobile app some more. Okay, just open the mobile app, enter the game pin. The game pin is, you can see at the bottom there, 7685586. 19 place, still got chance, don't worry. Okay. Now we got Thanos in the chat also. Hello Thanos. Okay, don't snap, okay Thanos. Later half the streamer gone. 10 place also still got chance. Okay. Alright. Alamak, James Hemsworth, why are you leaving? Okay. You are in second place. You should just continue play along. Alright. So for those who are new, my name is Coach Mo. Okay. I'll be doing this P5 live every Wednesday. Okay, every Wednesday we'll get to see each other. And we'll be doing different topics. Alright. If there are any topics that you all like, that you feel you need more practice on, okay, you need me to go through more into it, alright, put it in the chat also. Alright, yes, we have trial for our math class at MasterMaths Education Center. Alright, so you can go to our website www.mastermaths.com.sg, alright, and find out more about our free class. Alright, you can go to our Telegram channel also to get some worksheets to practice, okay? But if you're interested in the free trial class, yes, we have. Okay, and get to know our coaches, get to know how we run the class. Yes, Dila, thank you. Alright, yes, we'll be doing whole numbers, okay, probably next week also. Okay, alright. Alright, so I'm hoping more of you have joined in. Okay, now let's go to the next question. Solve the following. This is orders of operations. Okay, so remember order of operation, what should we do first? Okay, what should we do first? What should we do second? What should we do third? Okay, don't just left to right, everything just plus minus, just do it only. No, okay, we must follow a certain order. Remember, that's why it's called order of operations. Okay, come on, try your best. Okay, 12 of you already answered. "35 more seconds." Araf, are you sure or not? Okay. Remember, what was the order? For those who just in P5, maybe it's a new topic for you. Okay. For those who are in P6, should know by now already what should you do. Those who are already in secondary school, should be very familiar with this. Are you sure yellow? Maybe it's purple or white. Yes, very good. Most of you got it correct. Okay. Let's see the rankings now. Yes, Clever Raven still at the top. Okay, because it's a clever raven. Okay. And then we got the Super Impala climb back to second place. Okay, the Super Impala and the Clever Raven is very close to each other. Alright, whoever you are, okay, you got very good chance to climb up. Alright, you are like only less than about 95 points apart only. Alright, so got chance, okay? You know, 105 points. Alright, then the witty Macau, okay, maybe if you answer faster, okay, you can get closer and closer. Okay, the Jolly and China and Classy Things also, you all are very close to each other. Okay, so got chance, okay? Alright, so come, let's go. Take a look at the solution. So remember, the first position is bracket. Do bracket first. Okay, so you see there's a bracket here. Right, there's a bracket there, right? So we ignore everything else. Ignore whatever is outside the bracket. Just settle the bracket first. Alright, but then after we look into the bracket, we got two more levels. We got the plus or times or divide first, or then followed by plus or minus. So the option here is either we do 225 minus 15 or 15 times 10. So we should do the 15 multiplied by 10, because that is the higher order compared to the plus and minus. Alright, so now we got 225 minus 150. So remember, the minus that comes with the 15 must stay, because you haven't do anything with that yet. So because it's still something that is inside the bracket, so the bracket stays. Alright, so when the bracket stays, so we do 225 minus 150, we got 75. Alright, now 75 plus 800 divided by 40. So now you got two options. Do the addition or do the divide. So we do the divide. Alright, and we got 75 plus 20 equals to 95. Why got 125? Okay. Alright, cannot. Okay, because 800 divided by 40 is 20. So when we plus those two together, we got 95. Yes, BODMAS. Okay. BODMAS is like a short form. Okay, because bracket divide, multiply, addition, subtraction. That's why they call it BODMAS lah. Okay, but another word for it is order of operations. Alright. Okay, so for those who want to have a chance for that $10 voucher, okay, we are about to go to the if I'm not wrong, the next question onwards. Oh no, next question onwards is double points already. Okay. Bracket, divide, multiply, addition. Why got multiply 2 times Haji? Okay. Bracket, divide, multiply, addition, subtraction. Okay, why got multiply 2 times, addition 2 times? Alright. Okay, for those who just joined, okay, already got the Kahoot app. Okay, or you can go to www.kahoot.it and join in. Okay. Okay. Okay, wait, let me adjust the screen a bit. For some reason, the screen got pushed upwards. Alright, now let's go to the next question. Okay, the next question is actually also on BODMAS also. Alright, so now you all got some idea already. Must do bracket, then multiply or divide, then followed by plus or minus. At the same time, remember, must do from left to right. Alright, so are you all ready for the next question? Okay. Yeah. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Solve the following. Now got 2 bracket. So which one do first? How? Now got 2 bracket. Sekali the option, the answer there's a 10/3 also. Why suddenly got fraction? Oh no. Alright, come, let's go. Okay, so we got some divide, some multiply, some bracket. So which one do first? Which should we do first? Okay, 21 of you seems like already got the answer already. There is 40 more seconds. Thank you, 𝐿𝐸𝐳, for sharing the live. Okay, for the rest of you who already answered, okay, you can also help us share. Okay, share the live. Okay, and don't give answer on the chat lah. Okay. Okay, remember just now? Which should we do first? The 21 of you got it correct. 2 of you decided to use the fraction. Okay, because I think fraction, because you all maybe ended up with 500 over 150. Then reduce to simplest form, you get 10 over 3. Okay, luckily nobody selected the yellow and green. Okay, alright. Oh wow, the 𝐿𝐸𝐵𝐿 and Super Impala is like very close to each other. Alright, they are getting closer. Okay, I think the difference now is about 62 points. Okay, so the Super Impala is actually going for it, but the 𝐿𝐸𝐵𝐿 say, I will still go harder. I'm a 𝐿𝐸𝐵𝐿. Who's 𝐿𝐸𝐵𝐿? I also don't know. Okay, okay, but the Jolly, Echidna, Classy Sphinx, and Mystery Bison, you all climbed up also. Good job. Okay, and we got a Cheerful Wolf actually who climbed 12th place. Alright, good job. Cheerful Wolf, not Cheerful Duck. Okay, Haji, good job. Okay, so now the 𝐿𝐸𝐵𝐿 and Super Impala must answer faster. Super Impala, you must answer faster. 𝐿𝐸𝐵𝐿 must try to keep up if you still want the first place. Okay, Super Impala, if you want the first place, you must go harder. Alright, but the next few questions, get ready some papers, because probably you need to do some workings, do some corrections. Okay, not correction, I mean do some, write down some steps lah, because it will be the problem sums. Okay, so I give you all, okay, let me go through the solution first. Alright, so we got 2 brackets there, right? Okay, like I said just now, we do brackets first, but now we got 2 brackets. So do which first? Alright, so when you are stuck in this kind of dilemma, alright, you do from left to right. Okay, so we do the leftmost, which is the 7 minus 2. Alright, when I underline, that means I do that one first lah. Alright, so I put 7 minus 2. So when I do the 7 minus 2, I got 500 divided by 5 multiplied by 12 times plus 18. 12 plus 18. Okay, so now I got the second bracket. So I do the 12 plus 18 next. 12 plus 18 is 30. Okay, so now I got 500 divided by 5 times 30. Alright, now I got a divide and a multiply. But coach, you say divide or multiply, you never say divide first or multiply first. So like I say again, in this kind of situation, do from left to right. So the most left one is 500 divided by 5. And we got 100. So lastly, 100 times 30, remember, 100 got 2 zeros, 30 got 1 zero. I group all the zeros to the right. I do 1 times 30, 1 times 3. And I got 3,000. Alright? So that's why the answer was 3,000 and not 10 over 3. Okay, so I think for those who actually did the multiply first at this step here, right? At this step here, for those who did the multiply first, you will ended up with 500 divided by 150, and yes, that's how you will end up with the 10 over 3. Okay, so remember, it's always from left to right. Alright. Okay, so for those who are new, follow us. Alright. At the same time, help us spam the like button. Okay. So get that like up to 5,000 now. Now it's at very close to 4,000. Get it up, get it up. Okay, you can share the live with your friends. We still got 2 more problem sum questions. Okay. Okay, yes, Haji, why you keep on calling coach? Alright. So let's get ready for the next question. Double points. Which is the greatest fraction? This one, probably you need to do some working. Okay, I give you 3 minutes. This one. Okay. How do you compare your fractions? Okay, we got 3 over 7, we got 7 over 10, we got 5 over 12, and 7 over 9. And I'm looking for the greatest fraction, the biggest fraction. Okay, there are few ways to do this, okay, depending on which way you are comfortable with. It's a setting, yeah. Alright. So how do you compare fractions? Okay. I think you all did comparison of fractions, I think in primary 4, right? Or primary 2 also, some of you already done it. So must think back how. Okay, there was the compare numerator way or the compare denominator way. But must do correctly lah. Okay, so later I'll go through both ways. Okay, some of you even may be doing like comparing with half or something like that. Okay, so depending on which way. Okay, we got 90 more seconds. Okay, 20 of you already answered. Okay, for those who just joined and want to give a chance at this Kahoot, okay, you can still join. Go to www.kahoot.it. Enter the game pin at 7685586. Okay, 60 more seconds. Is the background music, is it loud or is it okay? Can I get some input on the chat? Is it loud or is it okay? Like you can still hear my voice. Okay, thank you, Ajay. Some of you are saying loud, some say good. So which one? Alright. Okay, let me try to. Can you hear my voice? Okay. Okay. So this question was a bit divided, okay? Because it depends lah which way you all choose. Either you can choose to compare using numerator or choose to compare using denominator. Alright, but before that, let's see. This 12 of you got it correct. Did it help you climb up the leaderboard? Wow, the clever raven and the super impala still very close to each other. Okay, still manage, okay, to maintain your position. I think getting closer, Okay, and we also still got the Jolly and Chitna and Classy Sphinx, also very close to each other. And we got the Super Yeti now in the 5th place at 5556. Okay, and also Haji, you have a streak of 7 correct answer. Good job. Okay. Alright, let's see one way, then I'll go through and review another way. Okay. So this way that I did, right, is by converting all to same numerator. Okay, because it's easier, or there's like a common multiple with 3, 7, 5 and 7. 3, 7 and 5, which is 105. Okay, yeah. So I converted all to numerator of 105. Then I compare using denominator. But when you compare using denominator, it's like, imagine you have a pizza. Okay, you have a pizza and you are cutting it into 4 slices. Okay, that is denominator of 4, right? And if you are cutting into 6 slices, that's denominator of 6. Alright, so you see, the slice is smaller. Okay, wait, let me... Okay, give me a moment. Yeah, okay. So, like I said just now, imagine you have a pizza, okay, which I cut into 4, or a pizza where I cut into 8. Okay, so this is over 8, this is over 4. Alright, and numerators are the same now, 1 over 8 and 1 over 4. So now, this is your 1 over 4, this is my 1 over 8. You can see that that slice of 1 over 8 is smaller compared to the slice of 1 over 4. That's why a smaller denominator becomes bigger fraction. Okay? Alright, so next. Alright, so the other way is by comparing them to each other. Okay, because if you want to compare using numerator, right, then we need to make denominators the same. But here, the 7, the 10, the 12 and 9 is a bit harder to decide which one is bigger, which one is smaller. So you can do like a competition like that between these 4 options. Okay, now I compare between this and this. Alright, so we got 30 over 70 and 70 over this one I multiply by 10, the other fraction I multiply by 7. This one I multiply by 10, multiply by 10. Alright, so this is 49 over 70. 30 and 49, which one is bigger? 49, right? Okay, so this will go to like the next round. Now I compare between 5, 12 and 7 over 9. So the closest I can use is times 3 times 3 become 15 over 36 and times 4 times 4. 28 over 36. Okay, now 28 and 15, which one is bigger? 28, right? Okay, now we got, I can reuse the old fraction, 7 over 10, 7 over 9. Same thing, I can times 9 times 9 times 10 times 10. So become 63 over 90 and 70 over 90. Alright, 70 is bigger than 63. Alright, so this is the winner. Something like that. Okay, so if you find difficulty in thinking of the common multiple, okay, you can do it this way. Alright? Alright, now let's get back to the Kahoot. Okay, so don't worry, the connection thing is just my end. Okay, you just hold on to it. Alright, now get ready for the 2 problem sums. Okay, and some more, it will also be the double points. And I'll give you a bit more time, don't worry. Okay? Okay, but these two questions, you need to type your answers. Okay? So, question 8. Aiden and Ashraf have equal amounts of Lego pieces at first. Aiden used 50 and Ashraf bought another 100. So, Aiden went down, Ashraf went up. In the end, Ashraf has 4 times as many Lego pieces as Aiden. So, how many Lego pieces did Aiden have at first? Okay. For those who need the game pin is at the bottom of my screen. 7685586. You got 200 more seconds. Okay, about 3 minutes plus like that. Alright. So maybe you can start off with that Aiden and Ashraf have equal amount of Legos. You can start with that. Then from the equal amount, you once, because Aiden use means goes down or goes up. Then you can change your model accordingly. Okay, then Ashraf bought. When he bought, does his amount increase or does his amount decrease? Okay, alright. Then in the end, Ashraf got 4 times as many. So what does it mean when he got 4 times? Alright. So we got 2.5 more minutes. Okay. Once you got your answers, type it at the box that is given there. Okay. Got time, alright? So come, try to do your steps. Alright? Don't just be rushed for the answer, don't worry. Okay, that's why I give extra time. 2 more minutes. Haji, I also cannot say yes or no, Haji. Nicholas, your answer also. What can he do with 600 Lego pieces? Build the aircraft. Okay. Aiden and Ashraf got equal amount at first. So this is equal start concept. Alright. Suddenly now got 4,000 Lego pieces, Nicholas. Okay. Alright, come on, do your best, do your best. Okay, okay, 1 more minute. Okay, so remember this is starting at equal amount. Alright, one person's amount reduced, the other person increase. Okay, so you can make changes to your model, and from there, one person got 4 times as many as the other. Okay, come on, don't give up, try your best. You all can do it. Second last question of the day, and you'll be closer to this popular voucher. Okay, can use it to buy more assessment book and get better at math. Cannot use calculator. This one don't need calculator. That's the thing about once you all hit P5, everything thought you can use calculator. Okay, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, correct. Answers is 100 Lego pieces. Okay? Yes, very good. Okay, 13 of you answered correctly. Very good, very good. Okay, let's see. Does this change the ranking? Wow, okay, the 𝐿𝐕𝐄 and 𝐷𝐸𝐿 still there. Good job, okay. And the classy Sphinx climbed up, and followed by the Jolly and Chitna and the Super Yeti. Alright, very good, very good. Okay, very good, very good. Now let's see the solution. Alright, so initially, right, okay, again, I'm gonna go out to another app. Okay, don't leave your Kahoot. Alright, your Kahoot, just let it be. Don't exit the Kahoot. Okay? Alright, so initially, right, they started with the same amount. So initially I draw this portion here. Okay, this equal amount. Okay, we started with that. And then Aiden used 50 pieces. Probably he built like some small house or something like that. So he used 50 pieces. Okay. So he used the 50 pieces, so I cut out a portion for 50. Okay. Then, because I cut out this portion, right, what I do is I do a trace downwards. So I also put this 50 portion there. It's not that I cut out 50. Okay, those who are having connection issue, don't touch anything. Don't leave the app. Okay? Once I go back to Kahoot, you all will be reconnected. Okay? Don't do anything. Then after that, you plus 100 for Ashraf because Ashraf bought 100 more pieces, right? Okay, so he bought 100. So he bought 100. Okay, now in the end, 4 times as many. So I label this as 1 unit. This whole thing as 4 units. Alright, so this portion here is the 3 units. 3 units is 150. I find 1 unit by dividing by 3. So this 1 unit is 50. So they're asking for Aiden at first. So Aiden at first will be 50 plus 50. Okay? Alright, now let's get back to the last question. Okay, so I think now everyone should be connected already. Alright, for the last question, I give you all some time to read, okay? Give you all about 1 minute to read. At the same time, spam the like button once you are confirmed, read already. You all saw that. Okay. So remember to always open your emails. Don't let it stay unread. Okay, so at the same time, who wants to guess how long does it take to accumulate that kind of unread emails? Alright, but at the same time now, come read the question first, okay? Sophia has 4 times as many ribbons as Mary. Now it's not equal start, okay? But at first, they are different. Okay, Haji is actually much more than that. And then after that, Sophia used 54 pieces. But Mary bought 27 pieces. Okay, so one person again decrease, the other person increase. Brownie, you are very close. Okay, and in the end, they have equal number of ribbons. How many ribbons did Sophia have at first? Alright, so some hints. What happens to Sophia and Mary changes. Okay, why do they change? And how many units is the changes? Alright, so let's go to the question itself. Okay, and if you have your answers ready, you can enter it now, or else you got some more time to actually work it out. Alright, so here they have equal number in the end. Alright, this is the last questions for today, don't worry. Okay, equal number in the end, equal amount in the end. Okay, so for your model, okay, you need to make it equal at the end. Okay, or maybe you can use working backwards, maybe. Alright? Or you can start with that 4 times as many. Okay? If you work backwards, it will be almost the same like question. Alright? If you use working backwards. Okay? But if not, feel free to start with that 4 units for Sophia, 1 unit for Mary, then you can work your way forward. Alright? Okay, some of you already solved it already. Very good, very good. Some of you all are spamming the wrong answers on the chat. You are not benefiting your friends. Okay, you give the correct answer, also not benefiting them. You give the wrong answer, even more not beneficial to them. Okay, don't use calculator. Actually, this question, right, looks difficult, but there's a hidden hint there that makes it very easy. Okay, after I wrote down this answer, after I wrote down the question, then I realized it actually turns out to be very easy. But why? Okay, so you need to decide how you're going to do this. Are you going to start with the 4 times as many? Or are you going to work backwards? Okay, because in the end, they have an equal number. Okay? So with the equal number, you can also draw like an equal model and then work your way back. Alright, for those who are done with this question, okay, do help to spam the like button again. At the same time, alright, you can, those who are new, never heard about MasterMaths before, follow us. Okay? At the same time, you see at the bottom, in the middle of my screen here, there's a Telegram channel. Okay? You can go to that Telegram channel, okay, and find our past live worksheets, some free resources. At the same time, you can also go to our website and find more about our courses, okay, more about our classes, okay, classes for P1 all the way to P6. We also have from Sec 1 to Sec 4. Alright, Sec 5 lah, if you are, for those who are in Sec 5, taking O-levels also, there are classes for you. Okay, not just, for those in secondary school, not just your E-Maths, we also have classes for A-Maths also. Okay? Yes, there are. Yes, Dila, thank you, correct. Alright, and for those who are new, there are free trial for you also. Alright, you can go to our website, mastermaths.com.sg, find out more, and also sign up your interest. Okay, 30 more seconds for the last question. Then you will know who's getting the $10 voucher. And after this, okay, there is a sort of like a bonus points, a chance for you to get a bonus points, like a last chance, a last booster pack to get this $10 voucher. Okay, 5 more seconds. Yes, okay, the answer is 108. Okay, for those who are saying 109, 110, they are just trolling you, okay? So yes, 108 is the answer. Okay, but like I said, there is, okay, Super Impala actually now got the first place. Very good, okay? But after this, there is one last chance for you to earn some points. Okay, but before that, let's go through the solution. Okay, so for me, I started with the 4 times as many. So I drew 4 boxes for Sophia, 1 box for Mary. Then 54 goes down, 27 goes up, right? But technically, right, for this question, okay, 54 is 2 times of 27. So we know there's about 3 units there. Okay, that's why for this question only we can assume that it is actually at this, where at the end Sophia got 2 units. Alright, but we can also draw like some arrows here to note down the reduce and the increase. So because of that, we ended up with 3 units is 54 plus 27. Then 1 unit is 27 because 81 divided by 3. But because they're asking for Sophia at first, so Sophia at first will be 4 units, that's why 27 times 4. Alright, so like I say, there is a bonus points portion. Alright, so for those parents, okay, or your parents are with you right now, you can get them to join the live. Just for a quick one, to take note that on the 8th of February, alright, on this Saturday at 7:45 to 9:15, we'll be having a webinar for master parenting. Alright, so these are basically for parents. Okay, we'll be having Coach Irfan, Coach Ismail, and also a guest speaker, one of our parents, alright, to join in and to share tips on helping your child prepare for math. Okay, how to manage exam anxiety, okay, some positive reinforcement method, and how to actually go through math questions also with them. Alright, so take note of the link at the bottom. Okay, this mastermath.com.sg/masterparenting webinar. Alright, so you can sign up, it's free, and there's a bonus question now. A true or false double points question. Okay, so is it true or false that MasterMaths is having a master parenting on the 9th of Feb at 7:45 PM? Okay, come, quick one. Okay, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Who never listened just now? Alright, it's false. Why is it false? Because it is on 8th of February at 7:45. Okay, not 9th February. 9th February is Sunday. Alright, now let's see. Alright, so if you think you might have a chance now, what you can do is take a screenshot of this QR code, or you can scan the QR code now. Why? Because for you to claim this $10 voucher, okay, you need to scan the QR code, okay, and what's the thing called? And fill up some details for you to get the voucher. Okay, now let's get ready to see the podium. Number 3, the cheerful duck. Just now the cheerful duck went all the way down, right? Okay, went below the number 5 lah. Then we got the Jolly and China. Number 1. Who is it? Yes, congratulations, Super Impala. Okay. Alright, so the runners up. Okay, today cannot get voucher lah, but don't worry, next time still got chance. Okay, we'll be back next Wednesday. Okay, so I hope you all got the QR code there already. Okay, Haji, you got it, right? Alright, so that's it for today. Okay, I hope it was fun. Okay, and we'll be back next Wednesday. Tuesdays, remember, it was the PSLE math. Now Wednesday is P5 math. Soon we will have science also. And again, my name is Coach Mo. Okay, and see you all next week. Alright, thank you everyone. Bye bye.